The first thing that you want to do is set up your page. You're going to go up to the left top corner where it says File, and then scroll down to Page Setup. Couple things. Here it has page color. So go ahead and pick a color that you would like for your background, and you can go in and change this if you find that it doesn't really look good. Sometimes we get things on there and it doesn't look like what we want. Now I like to change the margins to 0.3. So top, bottom, because we're not printing this out. We don't need that extra space. We might as well, I'll leave the left and, well, I'll change those to 0.5. We might as well use the real estate that we have. And then hit OK, and you have your page color change. Now, the next thing that I want to point you to is next to the font over here, it says normal text, and you're going to click the caret. First, we're going to start with the title, and this will be your name and your final. You can put portfolio or project. Couple of things. I'm going to center this. I don't like this font. I want something more personalized. So now let me choose what I would like. Oh yeah, I like this Cinzel Decorative. Now every time I hit title, I want it to actually do this. So I'm going to go ahead, come over here, title, update title to match. On this document now, if I hit that title, it's automatically going to match this font. I could change the color and match it, and it will do that. Now I need to set up my categories, and you can be more creative with them later. Right now, we're just going to set them up. And we're going to do these under heading. So I'll do my first heading. And the first category will be narrative writing. Again, I want to customize. I should have it different than my title. So I should have a different font now. I will use Gabriel Fat Face. And then maybe I want to change the color of this font. Maybe do it a blue like that. And now I'm going to go to heading 1. Update heading 1 to match. All of my heading 1s will look like this. So the first category I need is narrative writing. And now I hit enter. I need to go back, heading 1. And my next category is going to be, we'll say poetry. Hit enter. And then my next category, have to go back to heading 1, will be formal writing. So this is the categories, and I'm going to be inserting work under here. Now, the next step, I'm going to bring my cursor back up here and hit enter 2 times. Then I'm going to come back here. I want to insert a table of contents. Right now, everything's on one page, but eventually it won't be. So I go up to insert, and then I have to find table of contents, and it asks me which one I want. I'll go ahead and use this. Now I have my table of contents. If I add things to it, I can update it. But whenever you use the headings, what that does is create a link inside of your page that can be then a table of contents. Now for this, I need to go ahead and title it table of contents. Okay. This is the setup for the portfolio.